The digital out port on the Pioneer CDJs and mixers is one of the least used ports, and today I'm here to tell you what this orange digital out port is and why you must use it. Learning about this can help you in situations where you lose the audio signal while performing. Let's talk more about it. What's good, you guys? My name is Deep and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. The flagship Pioneer DJ equipment has a lot of input and output options, and one among these is this one here, and it's called the digital out. I've been using the digital audio port on the Pioneer CDJs and mixers for quite some time now, and oftentimes DJs notice that there are no RCAs plugged into my equipment when I'm performing, and they ask me how did I do that, what it is, what is this digital connection and how it works. That's when I realized that a lot of DJs, especially beginner DJs who have just completed their course, and a lot of veteran DJs who migrated from turntables were not aware of this. And maybe that is because Pioneer DJ did not make a lot of noise about this particular feature. So today I thought, why not share this with you guys and tell you why you must use the orange digital out port instead of the regular analog red and white RCA cables while connecting your Pioneer CDJs and mixers. 3 big reasons. 1, better overall audio quality. 2, you can never clip your audio signal if you connect digitally. 3, one less cable to worry about. So it turns out that using the digital audio out port on the Pioneer CDJs and mixers gives out a better audio signal overall, and this has been confirmed by Pioneer DJ themselves. And the reason behind that is because the SPDIF port or the digital audio out port on the CDJs is sending out a processed high quality 24-bit stereo signal which the mixer receives, and this mixer, which is a digital mixer, will not have to convert that signal again into a digital signal before sending it out to the speakers, which means there is no loss in quality. This doesn't require any special cables, to be honest. Any regular RCA cable will also work, but what I learned from my testing is that the digital coaxial cables give out a slightly better signal from this SPDIF port. Once you've connected your player and the mixer with the digital connection, you need to remember to switch to the digital mode on the mixer for the mixer to receive the digital input. Another advantage of using a digital signal is that you can never clip your audio signal no matter how much gain you increase on the mixer. The limiter kicks in and it stops the signal from clipping, which is not the case in analog RCA. Your analog RCAs will clip if you increase a lot of gain. This also means that by using the digital connection, you're also protecting your equipment. The normal RCA cables that even the company ships with their equipment in the box do not have a very long lifespan. Oftentimes one of the 2 cables go bad and you either have low signal from one channel, or even worse, you lose the signal from one channel completely. So if this ever happens to you, just split the cables and discard the one that doesn't work and connect the cable that works into the digital port on the mixer and the player, and you should be good to go. And that is a tip for you guys if this ever happens to you during a performance. And of course, the setup looks a lot more cleaner with one less cable to worry about. And it leaves you with more room to connect more inputs into the same channel, maybe from a sound card if you're a DJ who uses a laptop to perform. That's about it, guys. I thought it'll be helpful for me to spread some awareness about this amazing yet less used digital audio out port on the Pioneer DJ equipment. It's an absolute advantage to have this port on your players and the mixer, because guess what? Not all equipment has this. So if you have it, why not use it? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned something new today. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.